Hey, welcome to another unboxing. It's unboxing day, everyone's favorite day of the week. We got another box here. I remembered to take off the label this time, so I don't have to do any censoring or whatever of my dress. But yeah, you already know what it is. Let's get into it. Got the handy golf tool because I figured I should switch it up, use something else every time. If you play golf, shout out to you. Fix those divots, keep the greens good. Let's cut this open. And that's why we don't use these tools for opening boxes. It's not doing a good job. That one's a little easier. Good. Yeah, next time I'm gonna use a better tool. I have a better tool here, but I thought this would be more fun. Retiring you. Thanks for your service. Let's get into it. This phone came from Samsung. I ordered it with my own money. So this is not a sponsored review or anything like that, sponsored unboxing. But yeah, Samsung, that would be nice if you could throw some devices my way someday. Oh Lord, look how long this goes. Okay, oh there it is, there it is, there we go. Put this that way, dang. Galaxy Z Flip 5. You got the little pull tabs, those are new. They started doing a while ago, and you don't need a tool to open up the box. They just peel off like that, just peel off. So information on the box, all the stuff you want to read if you're into that stuff. And then here, name of the phone, design. You can already see the colorway I picked. I picked the mint because I feel like it was the most interesting colorway that we didn't have last year, and now we have this year, so I went with the mint color. Typical Samsung box. All the goodies up in this one, this side. That's everything. Okay, here we go. USB-C cable. Paperwork, terms and conditions, quick start guide. Then my favorite part, SIM ejector tool. All right, fun. That was really quick, huh? Then we got the rest of the phone. That is the rest of the box. Bottom of the box, thin. Nothing else in there. Moving on to what I assume everyone is here for. A little tab here to pull. There it is. I haven't even held this in the store, so this is the first time I am holding a Galaxy Z Flip 5. So here's the phone. Looks pretty dang good right now. Just gonna check out the hinge on that. Looks really good. It's Samsung is in their sort of settling stage where, you know, they have a good design. There's not a lot of flaws to fix. The obvious flaw being this crease, because I know people don't like it. It doesn't bug me that much. But yeah, let's go through the phone a little bit. We do have, I don't know if that you can be able to see that, but there is a screen protector on here. Factory screen protector, it's the flimsy film kind. We got the same spots as the last year's model. We got the volume rocker up here. We got the power button, which doubles as a fingerprint scanner, which is what I like. We got a microphone here at the top. On the left side of the phone, this is where the antenna is. And we have the SIM tray, and I believe it's just a SIM tray, no SD card support again, of course. And the bottom we have USB-C, microphones, and a speaker port. The biggest highlight would be this new outer display. It's just much bigger this time around. You can see on the 4, screen's a lot smaller. Now it's like pretty much twice as big. I should power this on. Ah, there we go. Look at that. Oh yeah. Look at these. Which size would you rather have, right? More display on this stuff, more to show you. I have a GIF of here of Pikachu playing the air bass guitar. And then just imagine what I could put on this screen over here. Really big size screen in comparison. The cameras are also flipped sideways, and then the flash is moved to the end over there. So that's their main differences so far. And of course we have some internal updates as well. But just looking at the devices, on the Z Flip 4 we have a mic over on the other half of the phone by itself, and opposed to this one where the mics are all at the same side. Yeah, so other than that and the camera modules, I had to look at the official numbers, but extremely similar in weight, and it looks like they're extremely similar in size as well. If you have a Galaxy Z Flip 4, obviously you're going to need a new case if you want to protect this outside part, because the screen is much bigger, so you can't use the old case. If this back piece fits flawlessly, I really don't need to buy a case, because I usually just case the bottom part only. And that's it. Look at that. Z Flip 4 owners, rejoice! If you're just like me and you only need to use just the back cover, you know, because you close your phone and you put your phone down on the bottom and you wanted to keep it from scratching, you could just use your old case. I'm not seeing any issues with, look, these line up. Oh, you know what, there you go. There's a microphone that it gets cut off right here. The microphone's a little to the side right here. The one on the very far end, slightly cut off, so, you know, that might not be worth using it. And then there wasn't a microphone on this end. It wasn't right here. Oh, it was on the other side, not right here. So if you use the top case, here's the top case. Yeah, see, that was going to completely block that microphone anyway. So you could use a Z Fold 4 case, but you shouldn't. But this is something to note. I want to show you this one too. This is hard for me to line up. Okay, look at the gap. The new hinge is a little thinner, I believe. Not weaker, but it's designed in a way where the phone closes more flush. So as you can see, the green one is there's less of a gap in between. It looks a lot nicer in terms of that gap. Let's see. Oh, that's my niece. I was on call with her. That's just a screenshot of it because she looks so funny. But yeah, let's see, hinge wise, after a year, this phone's, you know, I've had no issues with the display for a whole year. Feels just as good over here in terms of the hinge. Yeah, if anything, they didn't change how strong the hinge is. It pretty much stays in whatever position you leave it in. Really nice phone. So we'll wait till the review. I'm going to put my SIM in this. We'll wait for the review, and I will talk about the new changes in comparison to the Z Flip 4. Whether you should upgrade or not, and if you're not coming from the older phone, whether you should just upgrade in general. And yeah, thanks for coming along on unboxing day.